Hello, it's Mystery PP131 here, and I'm doing a demo of the Maverick from Nerf. Yeah, pretty cool. Got like 2 years ago. I don't know why I didn't pick a review. Oh yeah, because I just made it this summer. We just made a YouTube account this summer, so I'm gonna see how it shoots. Well, I'm gonna let you see how it shoots in my next video, cause I need my iPod to shooting it. Shoot me. Yeah. I'm such a trained professional with Nerf guns. Please help. Please help. Please help me.